Hello everyone. When Sanjeevani Anand ended, it was with the gift of health and wellness. I had moved towards my intentions of living with more awareness, Anushasan, and Vyayam. I was listening to my body more, not listening to my mind as much. Anushasan had breathed a new life into me, and with Vyayam, I was getting reintroduced to my body. The failure to begin a practice of self love, adhering to a practice or ritual of joy, was a learning by itself, and I was working on it. Words that triggered me before, like flow, balance, ease, and action, found meaning with me. The universe then conspired, and I found myself in Shakti Yoga and the foundations of yoga. When I began, I truly doubted myself. If I was there to begin, good enough to begin with, good enough, practiced enough, fit enough, or spiritual enough to call myself a yogi. But my biggest learning here was that I didn't have to be anywhere to get there. As long as I was moving, whatever my path, whatever my stage, whatever my progress, as long as I moved with compassion, love, acceptance, and commitment towards my own freedom and fulfillment, I could call myself a yogi. As the Vyayam practices continued, my body spoke to me in ways it had stopped speaking to me for years. The loosening and the asana practices actually unhinged something trapped in me. I felt freed, not just in my body, but in my mind and spirit as well. The act of holding the asana and remembering to breathe and relax through it unknowingly translated into daily life. I held up in daily life situations, stresses, ups and downs with more ease. I found myself relaxing in demanding situations, breathing through difficult times, and learning to hold the pain and discomfort in non-negotiable conditions. I had become less reactive. I slowed down, balancing the ease with the effort, the comfort with the pain, and the letting go. All had been translated. As the yoga theory classes continued, I found myself in a room with multiple doors and windows to life being opened, actually being able to find personal meaning to words and stuff you'd been hearing about since childhood was elevating. Pride for our roots and privilege of belonging, and finally being able to connect in whatever way possible. As we stepped into a bit of everything, with the nididhasanas in all the streams of yoga, so many things unfolded. The inside-out processes were revealing. They challenged all previous notions I had held about myself. I found myself in unfamiliar territory by choice. What I identified with had become tipping points for me. Reflections were laced with compassion, and awareness of light was thrown into me. I had realized that compassion and love were indeed the ultimate and supreme emotion. The outside-in processes were rewarding. The doing was very anchoring, whether it was a ritual, a chant, a niyam, or a mindset being practiced, or a asana being done. Every day it brought new insight. It nourished me, nurtured me, and gave me focus. As my journey continues, I feel like I seek something in me, beyond me, through me. It feels like going in and out at the same time, and I struggle with balancing and relating to the concepts between dharma as against swadharma, trusting the known versus the unknown, and the fact that the more I know is the less I know. However, every day I feel one thing more and more strongly, that what I seeks me, that I am exactly where I need to be, and that I am whole.